Hey guys, Richard here. So in this review I want to talk to you about CryptoBank. Now in essence, CryptoBank is a done-for-you funnel builder with apparently built-in traffic, and it's all based around the crypto niche. So obviously this is very popular at the moment. There's a few products being released recently kind of capitalizing on the crypto buzz, and this is just one of those products. So I'm going to take you through the members area itself. I'm actually a member of this pro club from various other reviews that I've done, and basically this is part of the overall pro club. Now this is actually due to be released on the 28th of May, and it's by Chris, who is the kind of founder of the pro club, Rich Williams and Vivek. So as I said, I'll take you inside. We'll talk about what this overall product does, and then I'll talk about one big drawback if you stick around that I think you'll have, especially if you're a newbie marketer. Now guys, these reviews are based on my own opinion, based on many years online buying products just like this one, and the idea of these reviews is to give you a bit more information before you go ahead and decide to invest in any kind of products like this online. So guys, just before we start, my name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to the channel before, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I release new videos. And guys, if you really want to learn how to build a business with affiliate marketing, go ahead and hit the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and we'll take you through the whole process completely for free, step by step. Now let's jump into this. Now this is apparently 435 a day commissions. That's nearly $100,000 a year from this particular site. One click done for you affiliate sites. Make crypto commissions fast, get crypto traffic fast, create instant Bitcoin free, make clickbank commissions, 100% done for you, 100% cloud based, zero hosting or domain, 100% beginner friendly, a new method, and it's all one click. So use your type of buzzwords there, guys. If you've heard my reviews before, you'll know that any kind of buzzwords like that are obviously designed. They're easy, they're fast, and they're going to make you instant commissions. So let's jump straight into the software. Now basically what you do is you come over to this CryptoBank, and there's kind of a three-step process here. You pick out the product you actually want to go ahead and promote. You then go and build your funnel, and then you can share it. Now the traffic piece here is the one I want to talk to you most about, especially if you're a newbie, because traffic is the lifeblood of anything online. That's why these guys get affiliates to sell their products for them, because they need other people to generate their traffic. Now you come through here and you'll pick out any of these types of products. Now at this stage you've got no idea what they actually are, which is a big problem for me, because why am I promoting a product that I know nothing about just because it says crypto? But let's just pick this one on the left hand side here. You can either choose a product or you can get the keywords. Now the idea of these keywords, which isn't really explained anywhere, but the idea of these keywords is they download the keywords, and you would use those keywords to kind of pay for traffic over to these sites, because there's nowhere else you would use these keywords. Go ahead and choose this product. The next stage is to choose your simple funnel. So you get a simple sales vid here. Let's go ahead and create this one. Hit this create funnel, and then it brings you over to this page, and you've got a number of things you can fill in. The title, the video itself is embedded. This is coming straight from YouTube, this video, so you don't have to create it. There's a headline here you can go ahead and change. You can change the order button that's here. You can change the order button URL, which is going to be the URL of the affiliate link that you're going to get. Again, I can't see any training here anywhere that explains this to me, but I've already looked at this, and that's going to be your affiliate link. You can go ahead and upload a different button link, and you can specify your affiliate URL there. Now this could either be a clickbank product, or it may well end up being a Warrior Plus product. Change your font here to anything you want. Change your text color here, and then put some extra coding in here. Now there was one other thing you can do on here on some of the templates is actually add your autoresponder link so you can gather leads. So I go ahead and save and proceed. You will then see I've got a number of options here. I can edit this, I can download this page and upload into my own site, which is basically what you want to do if you ever want to get any kind of SEO value here, is you need to download these and upload them onto your own domain, because they're never going to be found organically by using the domain they provide. Or you can go ahead and publish. Now if I publish this, I need to give it a name. So I'm just going to give it a random name here, and basically that's going to publish its domain for me, and it works. There's nothing wrong with this at the moment. If I click this, this becomes the sales page. I can then click on this if I've got my own obviously details in here, and it brings me over to this page, which is the actual product. And there's a hop link up there you can't see, but this is a product that people would go through. This is great. And I would click on here, and then the idea is I would go and purchase this. Now this is, as you see, is a ClickBank product. So the actual software works. There's nothing wrong with the software itself, but you can do all of this yourself if you wanted to. The issue I have is I have no idea what this product's all about, and I'm being asked to promote it. The second thing really is the traffic, which is the absolute lifeblood here. If I hit share on here, this is supposed to be the traffic that you will get back to these sites. Now I don't know where all the crypto traffic is coming from. Unless you have those keywords which you're actually using for ads, there's not going to be any organic traffic from anything to do with crypto on here. You're just going to go and share this link to this site, to these various platforms. Now, as I've said many times before on these reviews, unless you've got a following on Facebook, Twitter, this Russian one, this VK, Blogger, unless you've got any kind of following on any of these, why you'd want to print it out, I've got no idea. But if you haven't got any traffic in any of these areas, you will not get anybody over to these sites, however they look. You really won't. And you're not going to make a penny in commissions. So the main kind of drawbacks with this I see, overall, you're capitalizing on crypto anyway, which is something you need to know a lot about if you want to start trying to make money in this area. But nevertheless, you have a big issue here with the fact you don't know what these products are you're being asked to promote, and you need to go ahead and use this traffic that they're recommending, which isn't traffic. So guys, I've just done back to the sales page. The key things on the actual sales page really are the fact that they're really pushing the Bitcoin piece here. It's going to be click, no issue, and you're going to be getting money straight away, because basically the free traffic, you switch on the free crypto buyer traffic in 30 seconds, and there is no free crypto buyer traffic, guys. Come down to the bottom here. Apparently this is worth $7,376 and you're going to get it for 15, and there's a 180-day money back guarantee. I just give you the overall funnel here. The front end of CryptoBank is $17 to $20. There's an hourly dime sale apparently, like this at the moment it's a 15. The upsell one is a limited edition, upgrade to launch unlimited websites promoting unlimited offers to scale commissions. The problem with these guys is the more websites you've got, the more traffic you need, and you're going to have to be spreading links all over the place. Where are you going to get the traffic from for all these unlimited websites? Upsell 2 is Autopilot edition, activates 60 times affiliate programs per day and over 1,500 campaign instantly preloaded. Again, if you're a newbie, guys, where are you going to get any traffic to go to any of these? Upsell 3 is a DoneForYou edition. Let my elite team set up a DoneForYou site for you. That's $197, guys, and you can do this in about 2 seconds yourself. The Reseller edition is $197. You can sell this as your own. And the MegaBundle edition is $97. Now, this is actually a product that's on ClickBank currently for sale for around $50. So it's pointless getting that. You might as well go and buy that directly. So guys, I know this is kind of capitalizing on a trend, but the issue here with this overall is that you're very unlikely to get any kind of traffic over to these sites. Even though they might look very shiny, very nice to look at, you are going to have a problem making commissions. So guys, my name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to the channel before, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I release new videos. And guys, if you're really serious about building an affiliate marketing business online, go ahead and hit the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and I'll take you through the whole process step by step. Until next time, guys, take care.